My name's Angelo. I'm the National Sales Manager for Alpine Ventilation, and we specialise in NCC condensation management. The new NCC condensation management came into effect on the 1st of May this year, and they've been enforced from the 1st of October this year, basically to make sure that we don't have a lot of black mould in new homes. With the new regulations, the 10.82 most of the guys already know about. It's that you must vent everything out of the property. With the new range right now is that you must actually vent the roof with high vents and low vents. So there's a roof vent and an eave vent for the property. So that's the new regulation. To know how many roof vents and eave vents you need, there is a calculation that the government has actually done, but it goes on the pitch of the roof and the longest length of the property. And that way we can calculate with the area in millimetres square of each product, how many you actually need per property. Okay, to knowing if you need a run-on timer fan, it's realistically they say that you must have an opening of 14,400 millimetres square, which is around so much. But it's more that if you have a powder room with no window, you need one. If you've got a small bathroom, the run-on timer is recommended because it runs after you switch off the light and allows the steam to be taken out of the room, not go into it on rooms or create condensation. Just for the bathroom fans and for powder rooms and bathrooms is the only reason you need a run-on timer. Personally, I recommend the powder room always has a run-on timer. Just one of those rooms. If you want to hide the roof vents, unfortunately most roof vents cannot be hidden because they sit too high. We've brought out the only low profile roof vent that only sits 90 mil high. You can put them under a solar panel. So now that most houses have solar panels, you wouldn't see one of our vents. And because you can use this to vent the roof as well as vent out of the roof, so you can run 2 bathroom fans out of one of these, as well as using them to vent out the roof. It's one of the only ones you can do that. And they're Bell 40 compliant. Now, we are the only ones with a new fascia vent, and that will basically use this as an eave vent or a fascia vent. That is our steel eave vent, which gives you 21,000. That one actually gives you 26,000 millimetres square. We are, again, one of the few companies with a single brick vent. The fascia is removable for cleaning, and that will actually fit in composite board or brickwork, and it's just glued in. And that, again, everything is Bell rated, that is Bell 40. We've got a double brick version. This is the timer fan, the run-on timer fan, and with us it's only a plug and play, so no hard wiring, no special things for the electrician to do, so it becomes a lot cheaper, plus you can retrofit. And to make sure that it's quieter, we've put little flown blocks on the flap so you don't hear them. So it's a little bit different from most that are out there. This one here is a little snap-in. This is designed more for your bathroom fans, your range hoods, but we do have a 200 mil one which you can actually use as a proper eave vent as well. We actually do the takeoffs for their plans. We actually spend time with the builders explaining how everything works. So we do site visits. We do joint calls with your guys as well. So we're there for the builder. Me being an ex-builder myself, my father's a builder, my brother-in-law's a building surveyor who actually helped write the regulations, and I've got town planners in the family as well. So I'm bred for it. So realistically, it's just whatever the builders need, we've got an answer for anything that they have come up with. So if they've got an issue, we've got a flat roof solution, we have the pitch roof solution, we have the cathedral ceiling solution. So our products aren't a one-shot pony. You know, as I said, that can do 2 things, that can do 2 things, or fan only does 1 thing. But the vents, that's an eave vent or a fascia vent. So we do bring out a lot of products that can change to suit the customer's needs. So we can customise the full ventilation solution for them.